Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali Desai. In this video, we are going to discuss some MCQs on teaching aptitude in our crash course. Friends, for your AP set examination, we are providing you crash course which includes full syllabus discussion and also with 20 mock tests which is available only at rupees 1999. And also friends, alternatively, if you don't want to join for crash course, you can join only for 20 mock tests with PDF solution which is available only at rupees 499. Here our crash course is available on our Global Online University app, and our mock tests are available on website and on our paid WhatsApp group. Okay, to join for crash course or to join for the mock test, you can contact to this number. The number is on your screen, and if you pay the fees, you can send screenshot to this number. Then we will add you to our paid WhatsApp group where you can access all the mock tests. You can download PDF of mock test. You can discuss on MCQs. You can clarify your doubts. Okay. And this is our schedule of 20 mock tests. First test is on 14/10/2020 and last test is on 19/12/2020, because on 20 December you are having your AP set examination. And if you are having any doubts, any confusion related to our mock test, here first test is free. You can give first test free. Come and check your score, and to get first test free you can drop a message to that number. Okay, let us move to the questions. The first question is, questioning skill in teaching is most useful in option A, ensuring students active participation in learning, option B, memorizing the facts by students, option C, making students disciplined, option D, preparing students for examination. Questioning skill in teaching is most useful. Okay, questioning is a type of teaching skill, and why teacher is going to use teaching skill? The right answer is option A, ensuring students active participation in learning. Okay, to involve students in learning process, teacher is going to ask them questions. So option A is the right answer. Here the question and options are also in Telugu. You can pause the video and you can read the questions. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about micro teaching? Yes, we all know about the micro teaching. It is practiced during the practice session. So option A, it is a method of teaching. Option B, it consists of core teaching skills. Option C, each skill is practiced separately. Option D, questioning is one component of micro teaching. Yes, questioning is one component of micro teaching. This is right. Each skill is separate, practices separately. Yes, questioning skills are there. Explanation skill. Okay, so many skills are there in micro teaching. Then it consists of core teaching skill. Yes, this is also right. So here the incorrect option is option A. It is a method of teaching. Okay, here micro teaching, it is not a method of teaching. Okay, it is a teaching skill. Okay, I hope the answer is clear to you. Now we will move to the next question. In which of the following is instructional procedure the main component? Option A, synaptic teaching model. Option B, basic teaching model. Option C, inductive model. Option D, social stimulation. Okay, here the right answer is option B, basic teaching model. Okay, in basic teaching model, instructional procedure is the main component. Please remember, the answer is basic teaching model. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is or are true of whole group instruction? Option A, permits students to progress at their own pace. Option B, convenient for teaching the same skills or content to the entire class. Option C, gives the teacher a chance to introduce new skills at a level suited to particular students. Option D, all of the above. Here which is correct about the whole group instruction? The right answer is option B, the whole group instruction is convenient for teaching the same skills or content to the entire class. Okay, the right answer is option B. Let us move to the next question. Which type of teaching paradigm would focus on teacher technical or one right way to teach approach to presenting content? Option A, learning paradigm. Option B, instructional. Option C, value added. Option D, none of the above. Okay, which type of teaching paradigm would focus on technical or right one way to teach approach? The right answer is option B, instructional paradigm is the correct answer. Please remember the answer. It is known as the instructional paradigm. Okay, let us move to the next question. What is the limitation of the project method of teaching? Option A, it is learner centered. Option B, learners get practical experience. Option C, the learners are usually not properly supervised. Option D, none of the above. Which is the method of the project method? In project method of teaching, teacher is going to assign work to them and students they are going to do it. Okay, which is the limitation for project method? Yes, project method is a learner center and it is where the students are getting practical knowledge, and the limit is the learners are usually not properly supervised. Okay, here sometimes teachers are not going to supervise them properly. It is the limitation of the project method. So the right answer is option C. I hope you got this. Let us move to the next question. Instruction medium affects the absence and escape from the class teaching. Option A, agreed. Option B, indefinite. Option C, disagreed. Option D, none of the above. Yes, instruction medium affects the absence and escape from class teaching. Yes, I think we can agree with this. If students are not understanding the language which is used by the teacher, they can miss the class, they can be absent in the class, they can escape from the class. So instruction medium will affect the teaching process. So option A is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. An effective teaching aid is one which option A is colorful and good looking. Option B, activates all faculties. Option C is visible to all students. Option D, easy to prepare and use. The right answer is option B, activates all faculties. Okay, the right answer is an effective teaching aid will activate the teacher and also all the students in the classroom. So option B is the right answer. Okay, let us move to the next question. Which of the following is more interactive and student centric? Option A, seminar. Option B, workshop. Option C, lecture. Option D, group discussion. Okay, where the students will be more active and which is the student centric? Seminar, workshop, lecture, group discussion. I hope you got the answer. Yes, the right answer is group discussion. In group discussion, students will be more active, and also this method of teaching is student centric teaching method. So group discussion is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is a benefit associated with overhead projector? Option A, they are relatively inexpensive. Option B, overhead transparencies can be made relatively quickly. Option C, they offer teachers the option of writing on transparencies during the class activity. Option D, all of the above. Which is the benefit related to overhead projector? The right answer is all of the above is the correct answer, because the overhead projectors are inexpensive and teachers can be made relatively quickly. Then they offer teachers can write on the transparencies board. So all of the above is the correct answer. I hope you got this. Let us move to the next question. And friends, for your AP set examination which is going to be held in 2020 in December, so we are providing you mock test plus 20 mock the whole syllabus crash course plus 20 mock test only at rupees 1999. Alternatively, we are also providing only 20 mock test with PDF solution at 499. Here the crash course is available on Global Online University app, and 20 mock tests are available on website and WhatsApp. So I hope you all will join to this. The next question is, you are training in public speaking and debate. Which of the following characteristics can you not expect to develop? Option A, concept. Option B, control over emotions. Option C, using language actively. Option D, voice modulation. Okay, you are training in public speaking and debate. Okay, then which one is you are not expecting to develop? The right answer is option B, control over emotions. Okay, if you are training in public speaking or debate, it is better you are not having any emotional experiences. Okay, so you have to control over emotions. So the option B is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Which educational psychologist believed in the fact all children have the potential to learn? Option A, Frederick Probel. Option B, John Dewey. Option C, J.F. Herbert. Option D, Maria Montessori. All children have the potential to learn. This is said by Frederick Probel. So option A is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. You come across as a teacher who believes that students are naturally curious and that the best way to encourage learning is through a process of self-discovery. Such a student is highly likely to encourage dash to learn. Option A, competition. Option B, extrinsic motivation. Option C, imitation. Option D, intrinsic motivation. The right answer is option D, intrinsic motivation. Okay, let us move to the next question. CAI stands for option A, computer analyzed instruction. Option B, computer assisted instruction. Option C, computer assisted intelligence. Option D, none of the above. Please remember, here the right answer is computer assisted instruction. CAI stands for computer assisted instruction. The next question is, dash is the process in which you identify the common aspects or basic relationships in a variety of specific situations. Option A, abstraction. Option B, generalization. Option C, problem solving. Option D, reasoning. Okay, here the right answer is option B, generalization. Generalization is the process where students are identifying the common aspects or basic relationship in a specific situation. Okay, the right answer is option B, generalization. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following items of information are important about students to motivate them for studies? Option A, learning style. Option B, personality. Option C, socio-cultural background. Option D, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, to motivate students, learning style, personality, socio-cultural background, all these options are necessary. The next question is, to make learning effective, a goal must be meaningful in terms of option A, objectives of the curriculum. Option B, intellectual ideas. Option C, standards of the others. Option D, the needs and purposes of students. While answering teaching aptitude questions, please be student centric, then you can answer all the questions. Okay, here also the right answer is the needs and purposes of students. The learning goal must be meaningful in terms of the needs and purposes of students. So option D is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Okay friends, this is about today's session, and once again I would like to remind you about our crash course and 20 mock tests. This crash course includes discussion on whole syllabus plus 20 mock tests, which is available only at rupees 1999 on our global online university app. And if you want to join only for 20 mock tests with PDF solution, this option is also available for you only at rupees 499. The mock tests are available on website and also on our paid WhatsApp group. Okay, to join for this WhatsApp group, you can join through our crash course and or also through our mock tests. If you want to join for crash course, pay 1999. If you want to join for a mock test, pay 499. Then send screenshot to this number. Then you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group. Okay, where you can get the links of tests, lab based solution, PDF, discussion, queries and all. Okay friends, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. And also if you want to some more videos related to UGC NET and various KSET examinations, you can subscribe to our Global Online University channel. Thank you.